Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Dodge Ram from year 2009 to year 2018 guys, and you need to remove and replace your key fob battery guys, and the key fob looks like that, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video now. If you guys need to buy a replacement battery for a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get all our supplies from. This is guys the key that I'm talking about. It's used on multiple Dodge vehicles. The Dodge Ram is outside, we have that Dodge Dart here parked. It's really cold today outside, but we'll demonstrate guys how to remove and replace it. That's what it looks like, that's what the key looks like. You may have some extra buttons, it doesn't really matter guys, the procedure will be the same. So what needs to be done now guys? Okay, pretty simple. All we need is a small screwdriver guys. You practically don't need that too, but we guys have it simply because guys, okay, makes things a little bit easier, but otherwise you can even use the key yourself to do it. Let me show you what we need to do first. Okay, that thing, we need to slide it this way so we can pull the key out. Okay, check it out, we pull the key out. Now we flip it upside down, you look at it on the inside. Now practically guys, you can use your key to pry here, but with a screwdriver it's a little bit easier. I get on this side right here, okay, and simply pry up a little bit, it will start separating. Then I come right here between the two, okay, and keep prying a little bit guys. Now check it out, the key will come apart. Okay, let me show you now. Perfect, it came out guys. Now sometimes what could happen, it could actually, okay, the buttons may get stuck here, so you may pull that cover out only. In that case you're going to go ahead and install it here. Make sure that the seal is not damaged, that's why you have to be careful how you pry. In addition guys, you have to make sure, okay, that you don't have any dust when you put it together, so it's water resistant again. Now this is guys the battery right here. So all we have to do now to remove and replace it, okay, lift it on this side up and it comes out guys. This is the battery. It's at the post side down. We get a replacement battery. If you need to purchase one guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You go in an angle like that and press it down. Perfect. What you need to do after that, you just go ahead, align everything really good guys. Align it really good. Make sure the seal is inserted like it should. Go ahead, okay. Okay, and ours doesn't want to press guys. Okay, perfect. We just needed to make sure that the seal is not sideways. Then go ahead and reinsert your key. And as you can see guys, okay, this is the whole process. That's how you guys remove and replace the battery out of a Dodge Ram key guys. If your key looks like that, the video will be helpful guys. Again, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.